Made it to the final level, the most difficult of all the modular origami that we are going to do in class. The pre-folds, you're going to want to take all 12, let me repeat myself, all 12 pieces, and you're going to want to fold them all to look like this, and then you're going to flip them all over, and you're going to fold up, and you're going to fold down, and then the next fold is you're going to fold, I'm going to pick it up, and I'm going to fold it this way. So we get a bunch of 45, 45, 90 triangles. Now after we get all our 45, 45, 90 triangles, we should have a bunch that kind of just look like this. They kind of got that fold going on right there. And we have 12 of them. All right, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking 12 of them. Once again, we're going to have three different colors in 4 of each of the colors. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a bunch that looks like this. Okay, so we're going to start by making a bunch of these things here. So the way that we make these things here is I'm going to grab one of my colors, my light blue, and my dark blue, and we're going to insert right in there, just like that. And then we want the black to make the rest of the shape right here. So we're going to take the black piece, and we're just going to insert the black piece over here. And we're going to, oh, that's wrong. We're going to take the black piece. Oh, no, that's right. We're going to take the black piece, insert it right there. And then we're going to take, I'm sorry, I am so lost right now. So the blue piece is going to go in here. The black piece is going to go in here. And then we're going to take the dark blue, I'm going to insert it in there. So it's pretty much every color gets inserted into the other, okay? So every color gets inserted into the other, and I now have 2 shapes that look exactly the same. I'm going to repeat that again. So let's try that one more time. So we're going to insert one shape into one color, and then we're going to insert the other shape into one color. So it kind of looks like flat, kind of looks like this. Okay. Now we don't want it to be flat. We want those extra auxiliary folds to be in there. And now I'm going to take the black piece and I'm going to insert it into the light blue piece. Now this right here, you know, you definitely want to get it to have it so that there's no space in there, or as little space as possible. All right, there's my next one. And then my last one, my last piece, and then we can get to putting it all together. All right, so blue into black, black into blue, and blue into blue. All right, so we got all of our shapes now. They all look exactly the same. And then from here, I'm just going to start kind of putting them into the other groups. So this one here, I'm going to rotate it just a bit. Let's do that. I try not to have any color go into a color that it is itself. So I'll try to make it so that no color gets into itself. So I kind of set those 2 guys together. I'm going to do the same thing over here on this one. Probably going to go with, yeah, light blue, black. This is where it gets a little complicated. Just take your time with it. It's kind of frustrating. Big finger people, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. And then now that you got 3 together, I'm going to take and I'm going to insert over here. So we're going to, uh-oh, I'm losing it. So I'll get this guy back. Over there. Uh-oh, get the shape back in here. As such. Okay, and then I'm going to bring our last piece in and just kind of figure out, no, dark blue, light blue. All right, bring that guy up and insert there. Rotate around. Let's tuck this in over here. Let's tuck this guy in over here. You'll kind of notice that you're just going to see a bunch of 45, 45, 90 triangles. And if you don't see a 45, 45, 90 triangle, let's say you see like a diamond or something, it usually indicates that you have like a flap that kind of got stuck somewhere. So there, like over here. So see, it's missing. That means there's a flap stuck in somewhere. So we got to go find it. There he is. And then we just insert it there. Oh, we're almost done. We almost got our last pieces. Insert there. And finally, insert there. And you should have a solid that looks like this. Kind of like a stellated some kind of object. Try to get these as clean as possible. All right, there you go. Thanks for watching.